The Windmill 50 cent coin, there we go. $1.50 to $13.50 is a recent selling price range for this 50 cent coin if you can find it. It is from the year 2002, so that's the year you look for. 11.5 million of them were produced, so it stands for the year of the Outback. So there we go, they're cool. I love driving through the countryside and spotting the odd windmill here and there. Although there are probably less of them around these days. Have you seen a windmill lately? Let me know in the chat. But there we go. To coin collectors, they can still be valuable, and especially in good condition. 2002. All right, let's get the bag in position and search through the rest of these 50 cent coins, see if we can find something else juicy. Straight away, 2018 is a low mintage state. So what do we got? $3.50 to $11.50 is a recent selling price range on these coins. They only made 4.6 million of those in 2018, so that's why. Oh, there we go. The changeover 50 cent coin from 2016. A little bit dirty, but some prices on these between $2 and $11. 7 million of those coins were minted. Anything below 10 million is usually worth holding on to. And the windmill one's just slightly over, but it's an interesting design which can grab attentions, and that's why it's worth a little bit more. All right, about halfway through. Oh, there we go. We've got the student design. So this one's from 2004. So some prices on these, $1 to $8. That's 10.2 million mintage on that one. Ooh, 2014, you look for, on these ones, up here, in this little void over here, you can get a little circle type feature on some of these coins. Now, that looks like just a bit of dirt there on this one, but it's called a crop circle on a 2014 coin. If it's got like a little circle imprint in the coin. And some prices on those, just looking on the list, $3.50 to $10 is a recent selling price range. Unfortunately, that one doesn't have it. I should get one out of my collection and show you exactly what it looks like. Ooh, got a bit of damage on that edge of that 50 cent coin. Last one here, the Commonwealth Games. They made a fair few of these coins, so I tend to let them go unless they're in really good condition, because I've got a fair few of them in really good condition myself. So, but if you're starting out coin collecting, you want to have one of these in your collection, or you might want to have a heap of them. So there you go.